10 private helicopters that define modern luxury flight. 1. Airbus ACH160 Exclusive, $14.5 million. The sky's most silent masterpiece, Airbus calls it the sound of serenity. The ACH160 Exclusive merges private jet luxury with whisper-quiet flight. Its 6 blue-edge rotor blades slice air at 200 miles per hour while reducing noise by 50%. Inside, handcrafted leather, 20 ambient lighting modes, and panoramic dimming windows surround passengers in near-silent comfort. The dual Safran Arano 1 EA engines deliver 1,300 horsepower each, enough to cruise 530 miles non-stop. The ACH160's secret is balance. A carbon fiber fuselage absorbs vibration, while electric dampers neutralize turbulence. Only 15 are made each year. Each one a flying penthouse, certified to land on yachts and skyscraper pads alike. Airbus engineers call it the quiet revolution. Billionaires call it Tuesday. 2. Leonardo AW139 Elite, $12.3 million. If the ACH160 whispers, the AW139 declares authority. Favoured by world leaders and royal families, the AW139 is both luxury and lifeline. It rescues, transports, and impresses equally well. Twin Pratt & Whitney PT6 C67C engines provide 1,679 shaft horsepower. Top speed, 193 miles per hour. Range, 573 miles. Inside, luxury leather recliners surround a polished veneer console with champagne chillers built into the armrests. The full glass cockpit mirrors airline-grade avionics. Automatic terrain mapping, satellite links, and weather tracking keep it one of the safest rotorcraft in the world. When parked beside a Gulfstream jet, the AW139 holds its own. This isn't just transport, it's power, status, and mobility fused into one airborne office. 3. Sikorsky S-76D Executive, $10.8 million. 4 decades of reputation built into one letter. D for definitive. The Sikorsky S-76D has flown CEOs, celebrities, and presidents. Its 4-blade composite rotor eliminates the chop sound typical of helicopters, making it ideal for urban routes. Range, 510 miles. Cruise, 178 miles per hour. The cabin features handcrafted cabinetry, noise cancellation, and independent climate zones for each seat. Every S-76D leaves the factory with a bespoke interior, no two alike. The cockpit borrows directly from Sikorsky's Black Hawk military technology. Dual flight computers, weather radar, and terrain proximity alerts come standard. Reliability, 99.8%. Comfort, 100%. For those who see helicopters not as transport, but as reputation on rotors. 4. Bell 525 Relentless, $9.6 million. When Bell named it Relentless, they meant it. The 525 is the world's first fly-by-wire commercial helicopter. No cables, no rods, just digital precision. 2 GE CT7-2 F1 engines generate 1,800 horsepower each, carrying 20,000 pounds gross weight. In executive mode, the cabin fits 8 reclining seats or 16 standard passengers. Range, 580 miles. The 525's touchscreen avionics resemble a spacecraft more than a helicopter. Real-time structural vibration sensors adjust the control surfaces 200 times per second for stability. Even in crosswinds, passengers feel nothing but calm. It's not just built to fly, it's built to make turbulence irrelevant. 5. Airbus ACH145 Mercedes-Benz Style, $8.7 million. Where air travel meets automotive luxury. The ACH145 is a partnership between Airbus and Mercedes-Benz, a flying Maybach for 6 passengers. Twin Ariel 2E engines power 838 horsepower each, giving a 423-mile range. But the magic lies inside. LED lighting strips, modular swivel seating, and panoramic glass panels create a cabin that feels like a luxury SUV floating 5,000 feet above ground. The Fenestron-shrouded tail rotor reduces takeoff noise by 60%, making it ideal for city center helipads. The touchscreen tablet system lets passengers adjust lighting, temperature, and even flight data displays in real time. If a Bentley could fly, it would look like this. 6. Augusta Westland AW109 Trekker, $7.4 million. Italy's gift to aviation elegance. The AW109 Trekker balances agility and speed in a carbon composite frame weighing less than a sports car. Cruise speed, 177 miles per hour. Range, 516 miles. With retractable landing gear and a dual Garmin G1000NXi flight deck, it's designed for fast, efficient hops between cities or coastal villas. Inside, handcrafted Italian leather, wood inlays, and twin-zone air conditioning elevate short trips into cinematic experiences. The AW109 is what happens when Italian design meets aerospace engineering. Beauty at 5,000 RPM. 7. MD 902 Explorer VIP, $6.1 million. Silent, sleek, and unlike anything else in the sky. The MD 902's NOTAR system eliminates the traditional tail rotor. Instead, it uses jet exhaust airflow to stabilize flight, reducing noise and maintenance costs by 30%. Range, 345 miles. Cruise, 155 miles per hour. The twin Pratt & Whitney PW207E engines deliver remarkable control for rooftop or yacht landings. Its interior, tailored for corporate or medical roles, adapts instantly. VIP seating for 5 or a full airborne medical bay within minutes. The absence of a tail rotor means total safety around ground crews, one reason police forces and executives alike swear by it. Quiet power, real innovation. 8. Bell 407 GXI, $4.6 million. A legend of dependability, reborn with digital precision. The Bell 407 GXI is the most widely certified light helicopter on Earth, operating in more than 120 countries. The Rolls-Royce 250 C47E engine with FADEC automation ensures smooth, efficient climbs. Top speed, 140 knots. Range, 372 miles. The Garmin G1000H cockpit with synthetic vision transforms even novice pilots into confident flyers. Maintenance costs are nearly half of the 429 series. Fuel consumption, 90 liters per hour. Cabin acoustics, below 60 decibels. The 407 GXI is proof that practicality and prestige can share the same rotor. 9. Robinson R66 Turbine, $1.3 million. Performance meets accessibility. The R66 uses a Rolls-Royce RR300 turbine engine, rare in this price range. It flies 300 miles at 120 knots, carrying 5 passengers with comfort comparable to models costing twice as much. Fuel burn, just 23 gallons per hour. The 28-foot rotor diameter provides stability even in crosswinds. Every 66 Rand comes standard with air conditioning, digital radios, and leather upholstery. For private owners, this is the golden middle ground, real turbine power without corporate overhead. Compact, efficient, and reliable enough to operate from almost any field. 10. Robinson R44 Raven 2, $650,000. The icon of private aviation. More R44s fly globally than any other helicopter model, over 7,000 delivered. Affordable, dependable, and simple to maintain. Powered by a Lycoming IO 540 engine, it cruises at 130 knots and flies 300 miles on a single tank. 2-blade main rotor, energy-absorbing skids, and crash-resistant fuel cells make it remarkably safe for new pilots. It's not extravagant. It's not excessive. But for countless private owners, the R44 is freedom itself. The ability to rise above traffic and see the world from a new altitude. And as electric rotorcraft and hybrid VTOLs approach, these 10 helicopters mark the bridge between tradition and revolution. Mechanical art meeting digital intelligence in the sky. Which of these helicopters defines the perfect balance of speed, style, and technology for you? Would you pick the ACH160 Serenity, the AW139's authority, or the R44's practicality? Comment your choice below, hit like, and subscribe to stay updated on the aircraft shaping the next era of personal flight.